welcome to my great channel. So today I will use tropical fruits. Can you see this one? I will use fruit papaya today. So it's summer in the northern hemisphere. So papaya are in season in my home island. Fruits papaya are delicious as they are, I know. But today I will make a papaya smoothie. And papaya has a good quality of nutrition, that's why it's good for your health. So I hope you enjoy it. So okay, let's get started.
These are today's ingredients. So basically, the only things you need to add to papaya paste is just sugar. But today I also going to show you an easy to make smoothie and a perfect summer ice cream. So let's peel the papaya first. So cut in half and remove all the seeds inside using the spoon.
Ooh, 美味しそう。
There are so many seeds packed in there. And this is off topic, but have you known that papaya seeds can also be eaten? To be honest, I didn't know that. So they dry them in the sun for 2 or 3 days and then put them in the pepper mill and use them as black pepper or as a dressing. I found a website that introduces how to make it, so I will put the URL in the description box. If you are interested, please check it out there as well. So thank you for all listening. So now we will cut the papaya into quarters and then peel them. And if there are any damaged parts there, cut these off too. So I peeled them all. It's really nice color. They look tasty enough to eat as they are, but I won't today. So next, cut all these into bite-sized pieces. So fruits papaya is ready. So next we have prepared the blender. So now I'm gonna add these cut fruits papaya to the blender to make a paste. So my blender is small in size, so I stir into 2 parts. And please try tasting the papaya before stirring, and add the sugar if you feel it's not sweet enough. So add the amount of sugar to your liking. And this is just an example. I added 30 grams of sugar for 250 grams of ripe papaya. Oh look, it's good color, isn't it? So I will try the taste. So stir the remaining papaya as well. So papaya paste is done. So now I'm gonna make a papaya drink using that paste. So put a few spoonfuls of the paste in a glass and add a few ice cubes, and then add your milk. So the papaya juice is ready to drink. So the other way to use papaya paste is to pour it over ice cream. And if you have an ice cream maker at home, that's fantastic. I mean, you can make a papaya ice cream. So put the vanilla ice cream on a plate and then pour papaya paste around it. And then this is optional, but top with papaya pulp and mint, and then vanilla ice cream with papaya paste is ready. And the leftover papaya paste can be stored for up to a month if frozen in an ice cube tray. And it becomes papaya sorbet and tastes good enough to eat as it is. So mix the papaya paste when drinking and dissolve well in the milk. With just sweetish papaya paste and mild milk will give us tropical summer in your mouth. So next, the collaboration of vanilla ice cream and papaya paste is so good that you will want to get the refill again. So how did you like the use of papaya paste, which can only be enjoyed in summer? So hope this will help you. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!